Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com. Today I'm going to show you an easy egg-free chocolate chip cookie dough pudding. Very easy to make and very delicious. So in our saucepan, I combine the brown sugar, the cornstarch, and salt. If you're using salted butter, just leave the salt out. But you just want to give this a whisk until it's combined. There's absolutely no heat under the pan as of now. We're just combining these things together. And now I'm going to pour in the cold milk. We want to make sure it is cold. And then give that a mix. And once the milk is added in and mixed in, we're going to go ahead and turn on the heat underneath, kind of a medium-low heat. We're going to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, whisking every now and then. And you should see it thicken up around the 5 to 7 minute mark. Another good way to tell if it's thick enough is if it coats the back of a spoon. And if you run your finger through the back of the spoon, it should keep separated. Okay, like this. And once it hits that mark, what you're going to do is turn off the heat. And then add the butter in. Make sure the butter is at room temperature so it's just easier to mix in. And once the butter gets in there, it's going to start melting right away. Okay, give that a mix. And then add in the vanilla as well. It's a great option if you're in the mood for cookie dough, but you don't prefer eating raw eggs, or you're just not in the mood to make actual cookie batter. So that's it's a great option for that. So you can see it's nice and thickened and everything's mixed in, and now we're ready to pour it into our bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this with some saran wrap, and I'm going to let it cool for about 2 hours, let it firm up a little bit. 2 hours really was enough for me. Just basically cool it until it's nice and firm though. I mean, we don't want it too firm, we want it kind of a pudding consistency, so keep that in mind. And after 2 hours, this is how it looks like. And now the fun part, we're going to actually add the chocolate chips. In my case, I'm adding chocolate chunks. But if you have mini chocolate chips on hand, you can add those as well. So basically, we don't want to muddle the pudding too much. Just kind of fold in the chocolate gently until it's mixed in well. And then if you want to serve it in your ramekin or your serving glass or your bowl, this is how I suggest you serve it. So you just put some of the pudding in there. And then I like to put a actual chocolate chip cookie in there. And just for texture and taste, of course, some chocolate chip cookie crumbs on top. Adds a really nice contrast of texture in there. And then when you want to eat it, you can either use a regular spoon, okay, or you can actually just take the cookie and use that as your serving utensil. It really reinforces the cookie flavor if you do it that way. Anyways, give this a try. Go to facefood.com for the full recipe. Like this video, comment below, share this video, and subscribe for more great videos on the way. And until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.